Can we clone mammoths? Yes. There are two ways to clone, one with DNA and one with RNA. The DNA method is simpler, but also nearly impossible. But first, you need a better understanding of DNA, which is essential to cloning. DNA is in every organism on Earth. It is the code that dictates what you are. In DNA, there are 4 bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. These bases form a spiraled ladder called a double helix. For our DNA method, we need an elephant egg and a mammoth cell with an intact nucleus. First, remove the nucleus of the elephant egg with a fine-tipped glass needle. Then remove the nucleus of the mammoth cell in the same way and inject the mammoth nucleus into the enucleated egg. Then activate cellular division with either electrical or chemical treatment. The RNA method is very unlikely to ever have results, but it would be easier than the DNA method were it to require less guesswork. First, find the amino acids within the mammoth. Then match the amino acids to their mRNA codes. Make the actual RNA strand and make the matching DNA strand, which would then be completed with the other side. Then multiply the DNA and add to the enucleated egg and stimulate cell division. With both DNA and RNA methods, once a zygote has been created, it would need to be placed in a female elephant, which would act as the surrogate mother. Unfortunately, there are problems that could occur even before attempting to make a zygote. Getting DNA might prove impossible because 1. DNA decays over time, and 2. Ice forms in the cells of the mammoth carcasses that lie in the permafrost. This destroys the cells and the nucleus. There are also complications after the zygote creation. 1, if elephants and mammoths are not as compatible as we think, or 2, if the surrogate mom's body rejects the zygote. But I believe that because the technology exists, if we were really lucky, we could successfully clone mammoths. The end.